So today we're going to look at an ad for pickupmyjunkcar.com. I'm from the Midwest, so I get this. There's a lot of junk cars around farms, homesteads out in the country. When a car dies, they just seem to park it, and it just rusts and sits there. But little do people know is that there's an actual asset there in selling that car for scrap metal. So let's look at how I would advertise this website. So we pull up Ads Manager. For this specific website, they want to advertise just in the US. So we're fine there, United States. We're going to start broad, but then obviously A/B test and whittle down to what age is looking to sell junk cars. I'm going to assume it's going to skew a little older. We could probably go 40 to 65 plus, but let's start low just because. So languages is fine. Interests. This is key here. So first off, what other companies are like mine? So let's just go to Google and Google junk removal. So see what pops up right away, 1-800-GOT-JUNK. So let's try that for one of our interests. So there's whittling down, 39,000. What else is like this? College hunks hauling junk. Let's see if that's available. Okay, so we do have a main page for that brand, College Hunks Hauling Junk, but look, it's specific to each city as well. So personally, for this website, I would target where my initial buyers are of these junk cars. So when I go to this site, I see they have 8 buyers currently of junk cars. So according to what towns those are in, that's where I want to start. I want to start where the demand is and where it's local. It's easy, right? If I'm a buyer, I can go and pick it up on a trailer tomorrow. But if it's across the country, unless you have a whole load of cars, I'm not going to be willing to come pick them up. So start in your target cities, then expand to other cities as you grow, obviously, and get more buyers. So back to here, 1-800-JUNK. Let's go with college. So there's our initial page. So we can look through Facebook though as well, junk removal. Let's just go general search. So express junk removal. Let's go to pages specifically. So again, scroll through this. If you're in a specific area, I saw Indianapolis. Yeah, we could target that. So according to that, I want to get as targeted as possible, right? So I'm going to target the city. Let's say we know one of our car buyers is in Indianapolis. So now we're really pinpointing a smaller audience, hopefully even more laser focused, right? But once we've run one of these general ads, that's when we can do A/B split testing. We can find out, okay, probably men most likely are clicking this form and signing up to schedule their junk car removal. But again, I'm just assuming this. We're going to find this out on our Facebook Insights page once we start driving traffic to it. So here's their specific page, 104 people like this. So specifically on their Facebook page, okay, this is an alright logo. I would get a little bit more of a call to action here with an arrow pointing to this sign up. Post cars, get quotes, compare, and sell for top dollar. I don't think this image is optimized. It's a little pixelated. So remember to use the optimized cover image size that I teach you in the course. And then also get the proper grammar here. Connect with any top paying junk car buyers across country. Let's get a little more call to action here. Have a junk car sitting around? Have it towed away for you for top dollar anywhere in the US. So now going back to our ad, I'm going to want to do a mix of page likes with these interest groups and the specific ones to my area to initially build my page. Then alongside this page like ad, I'm going to also build a website push. So I want to push them to my landing page. Looking at this website, this is great. We're above the fold and we have what we want to capture from people, right? With a lead page, you want to have above the fold, above the scroll area, what you want to capture from people. So yeah, this is my car, this is my make, model. Next. On the next page, I assume it's going to be capturing an email login. If not, change it to that. We need to capture an email right away so you can at least remarket to them later on. Another note, let's get a retargeting pixel put in on this website. Make sure that it's an audience pixel, so every time you draw someone to this website or drive them to this website, it's creating an audience fire in your audience pixel. So you're doing a few things. We're slowly creating traffic to this website, we're creating an audience to retarget to, and hopefully some lead generations with this capture. Now back to the Facebook ad. Obviously, let's input a junk picture. That same junk car, that's great. Rusty old car. That'll be our photo. But really, we need a call to action that's very firm here. One I can think of right away. Share with anyone who has a rusty car just sitting around. They can make So there we go. First of all, even if you're not targeting the person who has the rusty car, possibly they've already gotten rid of one with 1-800-GOT-JUNK or College Hunks Haul Junk. That's great. You're targeting that like person, right? So ask that person to share with anybody else who's looking to make cash to get rid of their junky car. And then again in the headline, one more call to action. Okay, so we're off to a good start for this ad creation. From here, we're going to just A/B split test and continue to market to like pages, to areas around our current car buyers, and then retarget to the people who land on our website.